Hello, everybody. I'm Mandy, a second-hand machinery dealer. Is there anyone interested in buying a Doosan 22-ton excavator? Today, I will show you 3 different conditions of Doosan EH225 excavator. The first condition is the original vision. Directly purchased from the construction site to the company without any modification. However, this machine performs very well and is suitable for personal use. If it needs to be sold, it will need to be modified. Now, let's take a brief look at the condition of this machine. As we can see, the track and the bucket and the whole paint is very old. Then we will go to see the second condition. The second condition is a simple renovation, which involves simple repairs to the paint tracks and the bucket. And it can make it look beautiful and better. This is the simple repair. As we can see, the condition is better than the original one. Open the door and check the cab. This is the used excavator Doosan 225. This excavator has been thoroughly refurbished. It's in the best condition. We can take a quick look. As we can see, the paint is fresh and everything is okay. If you want to buy large machines, please contact me. Bye-bye.